Let's make red velvet cake mix pancakes. Add 2 large eggs to a bowl and whisk. Then add a 1/4 cup of cooking oil and mix again. Next, add about 1.5 cups of your milk and mix. Then add a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and whisk that in. Now add the 15-ounce package of red velvet cake mix. I use the Duncan Hines brand, and mix that in really well so there are no clumps. You can also sift it into the bowl as well. Add more of your milk as needed to get a nice runny batter. I usually use about 2.5 cups of milk. Set the burner to medium-low, about 300 Fahrenheit to 325 Fahrenheit on a pancake griddle. Lightly spray the pan or griddle with cooking spray. Add a 1/2 to 2/3 cup of batter to the pan. Cook for a few minutes until the edges are dry and you see a few bubbles on top. Flip it over and cook for a minute or 2. Push the edges in with your turner if desired. Remove it from the pan and cook some more. The larger the pan, the more you can cook at once. Pancake griddles are great for this. To serve them, you can just top them with a bit of powdered sugar, or add some whipped cream or Cool Whip and fresh fruit. I don't normally add maple syrup to these, but you certainly could if you want. Enjoy these nice, light and fluffy red velvet cake mix pancakes. Perfect for Valentine's Day or any other special occasion. Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.